We have another elevator with another also very pretty cab. We'll just do a quick video up to the top and then down to 2 and then keep walking.
Oh, are we gonna go to the bridge?
I think there's more on.
Building connection?
Yeah, because this is just an exit. Yeah, let's go down to G2.
G2.
Like a G6.
Like a G2. YouTube's content
6.
system. Yeah, 7's locked down. There's a card reader. I should get the picture of that panel. There's a couple of those. This one. Yeah, 2. Should be able to walk across, maybe 3.
I think after this, we'll
There's
probably
just so
make
many
our.
buildings
There
here.
is. And they're all connected.